You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's find out what is this Roman numeral. What is the meaning of LXXX as a Roman numeral, and how to say it as a date as well as a year. This is number 80 in Latin. How the Romans would have used it in ancient Rome. L is for 50. Every X is for 10, so it's 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 80. 50 plus 30, let's say. 80. Roman numeral number 30. Plus 50, number 80. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.